Welcome back to SMKR. This is Steve. Up next is another book review from MMP Books, and this is by Alan Ranger. It is the Sd.Kfz.10. Now, this vehicle has been well documented in other publications, but this book is unusual because it is from personal photo collections of some of the soldiers that actually served during World War II. Now, these photographs depict soldiers themselves as they performed their duties with this vehicle, and these photographs aren't from official documentation or from official photographers during the war. These are personal photographs that are found within this book, so I highly recommend it. It's a really good book. Now let's go along here and let's have a look inside, and we'll just flip through the pages here, just give you a preview of what's inside this book. Now it's a total of 80 pages, and all the photographs are black and white. Some of the photographs are the original photographs from the collectors who had them, and some of them were very small in size, so the photographs may be not quite as clear as you would expect, but there are a lot of photographs here which should give you some idea on how the vehicle was used during the war. This is excellent for the scale modeler, as you can go ahead and go through here and to give you ideas for diorama setups, and also shows you the uniforms that most of the German soldiers wore while serving in a lot of the units that participated in World War II. Now, this light half-track is one of the smaller versions of the half-track that the German Army used, but it's very useful and widespread throughout the war. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this preview, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. I will put a link in the description below on how you can purchase this book. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day and happy modeling.